Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, November 29th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we just got slaughtered today. I haven't had a day quite this bad in quite a while. It really hurt. And what was weird about it was there really wasn't anything happening in the Dow or the overall market that would indicate that we should have a terrible day. It's just you trade all the stocks that we trade. Sooner or later, you're going to get some adverse moves in a couple quirky stocks, and that's what happened to us today. And I'm going to show those to you. But anyway, the bottom line stung. We ended up, I think we had like positive $400 yesterday on the close. What time we got out of that was negative 12,000. So that was a big hit. And then if that isn't bad enough, I think we got into 3 new positions today. That was all we got into, but we got into this one that was pretty horrible, and I'm going to show that to you. So we're carrying over $8,000 negative going into tomorrow. So yeah, closed out negative 12, got negative 8 going into tomorrow. That is a really bad day. The Dow actually gained 24 points today. It started lower, but then it rallied all day, and then the last hour it sells off some. So I'm going to call it down for tomorrow. I don't think it's showing a lot of strength. I think there's some sellers in the market right now, but it's certainly not going to crash. Don't hold your breath. This thing will be going to 20,000 pretty soon, I think. Anyway, I'll show you what our problems were today. This first one is not the biggest bad thing we had, but it's symbolic of what went on. This is Sibanye Gold. We had bought this pretty much right out of the gate yesterday. It closed pretty nicely. I forgot, we got $1,000, maybe $1,500 there, and then bammo, it opens this huge gap down, and that profit goes to a loss, and we have lost $2.3 thousand there in Sibanye Gold. But that wasn't the bad one. We have 2 other ones that were just horrible. This is UWTI, which is Velocity Shares, and I just learned that they're going to delist Velocity Shares, I think, in about a week. And I should have just immediately taken that out of the portfolio. I did. I left it in there. You can see here what happened. We bought basically the high tick of the day yesterday, and then it gaps way down. And this is a leveraged stock. So we ended up taking $8.6 thousand hit in this stock. Very, very bad. Tough deal. But anyway, that's what happened. And then, if that wasn't bad enough, this is one of, I think, only 3 stocks we got into. Where did this go? I'm sorry. Let's see here. No. Here we go. I'm sorry. Okay, this is SGY, which is Stone Energy. And just look at this thing. This thing exploded. I don't know. There must have been some rumor news it was probably a rumor, news that doesn't reverse like this, but this thing just take off. We jumped into this thing on the fly, and it looked fantastic at first. When we were up here, we were up about positive $12,000. But within 15 more minutes, this thing went to a loss. Unbelievable. And we end up, we're down like $9,000 on this thing. So we went from positive 12 to negative 9. You know, a $20,000 swing. Yeah, this is Stone Energy. I wouldn't be in this stock if I thought it was going to do this kind of stuff. I started out in futures many years ago, and this reminds me of trading coffee in the futures market. That's all I can say, but it happened, and so this $9,000 open equity trade that we're in, we're not out of it yet. That's what's dragging down our open trade for tomorrow. So we had two really stinky stocks. I mean, super stinky. This one in Velocity Shares and this one in Stone Energy. So all I can say is, yeah, it was a tough day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Wednesday.